Hey everybody, I thought I'd document this little road trip, you know, kind of like a vlog. It's been a minute. And so I got the back loaded up. I don't know if you can see that, but not only drones today, but we're flying big helicopters up in Troy, Vermont at my buddy Richie's house. And it's been a hot minute. I haven't seen him in a long time, so I'm kind of excited to see him in the gang. But anyways, we'll transport you there in 3, 2, 1. And boom, we've made it. We are at Richie's house up in Troy, Vermont. And this is his flying field. Pretty badass. We have a fellow neighbor of Richie's. You mind being on camera?
Yeah.
Say hi.
How goes it?
What do you fly?
I've got a couple of goblins and old line T-Rex beater.
Nice.
Facing.
Yeah. All right, so we're here at Richie's. I gave you a little tour of where we're flying. This is actually Richie. Richie, what are you gonna fly today, buddy?
Spectre.
Right on. All right, well, good luck out there. We'll see you in a minute.
Shaking so bad it's making the stick move.
What head speed is that, you think?
Way low. I don't even know.
16?
Or lower.
Geometry says 0.
eating auto. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh, I went to off.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I couldn't bail out.